Ishan the Rockstar. So today I'm going to unbox my new piano. See, it looks very good. This piano is from Yamaha. So I'm going to unbox it and see how does it look. So it's PSR F52. So Yamaha is a pretty good brand, I suggest. You guys tell me what's good for your opinion. So I'm going to see how is it. I'm going to open. I'm cutting it. I open, let's see. I think so I have to unbox these two. You could see it looks good. So now I'm going to remove the outer wrapper also. So first I need to remove this. Don't do it carefully. As you could see, it has 61 keys. So I'm opening it. It looks so good. Right now it won't work as I need to charge it. This is the charger over here. You can see. I will take the knife. First, I'll unbox this one. As you can see, this is user manual here. And this is for keeping the books and all. I need to place it right over here. Over here I need to place it like this, so that I could place the book. While I'm playing the piano, I could see it. So now take a closer look of my piano. It looks pretty good. So working. What I did basically, I on this switch and started. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.